Welcome to Tooltech Geek. Today I'm going to put this body wash in a very tiny container we can carry in the pocket. This container is to make a lip balm, but I'm gonna use a gadget to put a powdered body wash. So I'm taking this bar and I'm gonna scrape it with a blade to make little flakes that will go in the container. Now I have those flakes. I'm gonna use this gadget, so I'm putting the dispenser in the bottom, and the top is like a funnel, so I can put these flakes. Now I'm gonna compact them using this plunger. At the end we got the body wash inside of this container. There's other products besides body wash that comes in bars. You have like soap, shampoo, conditioner. There's also bars of sunscreen. This already comes in a dispenser, and of course deodorant. These are little containers I got in Amazon. I'm gonna put a link. There is also a larger type of container that is used for deodorants, for small deodorants. I also wanted to make some little labels, so I printed some labels. I cut them. I'm gonna attach them to the containers using packing tape. Doing this just for fun. It's really not necessary to have the labels. They probably should be different colors, so it'll be easier to see them with low light or without glasses, if you wear glasses. Here I'm trimming it with a blade because the tape was a little too long for the size of the container. Now I have 4 of these labeled containers, and because they are oval, they fit very easily in small carrying pouch or a pocket or anything. That's why I like this format, that they're oval instead of round ones. They're a little more efficient for packing. Now to use it, I tried to use a washcloth, but I think something even better is to use a very sturdy paper towel, because this is easier to carry with lightweight. So that is just a good brand of paper towel that doesn't break off. I'm going to soak it a little bit in water. Now I'm gonna add the body wash or soap, and I'm gonna basically use it as a crayon almost, putting a little bit and then make a little lather and just clean up. So it works pretty well, and it's very compact, very small, and maybe I'll try to do other products too. Thank you for watching.